Hello everyone, I'm Mukta from India. Our today's project is Palindrome Checker. So, what is a palindrome? Palindrome is a string if it reads the same forward and backward. This is our coding. So, let's run this program and observe the output. Now, observe Toby on the stage is telling you the meaning of palindrome and asking you to enter your string. You have to enter the string in on terminal screen. Let's enter a word. Now press enter key. So the program is executed very well as the word hello is not a palindrome. Let's run once again. Now let's enter another screen string and let's do it palindrome checker. So we have entered the word wow and the string is a palindrome. So program is run successfully and Sprite on the stage, Toby on the stage is saying well done. Thank you for watching.